What's up, people? Welcome back to Sky and Max. As you can see just from the title, I have bought the My Forex Funds 5K challenge. Yeah, so as I said, I'm going to purchase it in August, of which I've done just that. Yeah, so okay, I've actually purchased it in July, but I'm beginning to trade the account next week, which is August. Yeah. So even if I get a trade set up before next week, I'm not trading. But as you can see, I've gotten the account. Yeah. So they sent me this email. I bought it yesterday. So they sent me this email. And this is the account. Yeah. So I'll be updating on how the trades will be going on the account every day, every time I place a trade. And we'll see if we can pass the challenge. Yeah, it's a 5K challenge. My first attempt was with a 10K account, which things went really bad, as I explained. Yeah, but I'm optimistic that I'm going to pass this challenge. Yeah, so let me show you the MT4, because I chose MT4 as my saver. Yeah, so you can see the 3 pairs that I trade. I already added them there, and this is the account. So you can see my Forex Funds evaluation phase. So yeah, this is the account, as you can see, and I haven't yet placed any trade. Just the account is still fresh, and yeah, so I'll be updating and see how things will go. Just hoping that things go well. Otherwise, if you'd like to stay updated on other platforms other than YouTube, you can join my Telegram. I just created a Telegram group. You can join it there. We stay updated. We can share ideas, and it's just for we share our experiences in trading, because I'm also in the learning process. Yes, as I mentioned, I'm just teaching myself. Have no mentor. So yeah, we can share ideas in the group. So you can join the Telegram group. I've put the link down in the description. And other than that, if you like this type of content, if you'd like to follow me on YouTube too, you can subscribe, and you can also like the video. Really appreciate that. It's good for the channel. And hit the notification bell to stay updated. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Peace.